In part C, we are going to prove that the cosine of 4x equals 8 times the fourth power of cosine x minus 8 times the second power of the cosine x plus 1. In this case, the right-hand side looks complicated, but the term on the left-hand side has 4 times x, which we can do more than working on the 3 terms on the right-hand side. Now we're going to start from the left-hand side. Look at the cosine of 4x. 4x is 2 times 2x. So we're going to treat this as cosine of double angle or the double of the 2x. Look at the 2x as one quantity. With the formula, the double angle formula for the cosine function or the cosine of 2a is cosine square a minus sine square a equals, another form would be 2 times cosine square a minus 1. And the last form would be 1 minus 2 times sine square a. Which form is appropriate for this problem? As you look at the right-hand side, most of them are 2 terms involving the cosine function. So we're going to select the formula cosine double angle A as 2 times cosine square A minus 1 because that is only one form that involving with only the cosine function. Now we're going to treat the 2x as the A. Therefore, the cosine 2a is 2 times cosine square of the A, and the A is the 2x, subtracted by 1. I put here, this is the A. At this point, we still have the double angle involving into the expression. We treat this as 2 times the quantity of cosine 2x squared subtracted by 1 and use this form of the cosine double angle again. Now we have 2 multiplied by the quantity 2 times cosine square x minus 1 quantity squared minus 1 because we replace the cosine double angle with the terms 2 cosine square x minus 1. Next, we're going to work on the power 2. The power 2 or the perfect squared we call x minus y squared equals x squared minus 2 times xy minus y squared. In this case, the x is 2 times cosine square x and the y is 1. So the x squared would be the power 2 of 2 and cosine squared. That gives us 4 times cosine to the fourth of the x, and y squared is the same as 1. Replace into the perfect square formula. So we have twice multiplied by 4 times cosine to the fourth x minus 2 times cosine square x times 1. And then the last term would be 1, which is from y squared minus 1. Distribute 2 into the parentheses. We have 8 multiplied by cosine to the fourth of the x minus 4 times cosine to the second of the x plus 2 minus 1. That becomes plus 1 as the most simplified form. We distribute this. And now we have the same 3 terms as we see on the right-hand side. We are done proving.